I'm so sorry that I want to change. I want a fresh start. So no choirs of angels, so no flashing lights. I want to be real here. I can only tell you what I experienced. But I did come to a point where I thought, I want to commit my life to God. I want a fresh start. And when I came to that point, if you like, it was, the feeling I had was, that's it, Chris. That's what you've been looking for. And it felt right and it felt good. Can't say anything more than that, but that's the feeling I had. I went to court next morning, handcuffed to a copper, very quickly. The clerk of the court was jumping around, wanted to put me in jail, and instead they gave me conditional bail, which meant that I had a curfew on me, I couldn't go to pubs and clubs, and I had to eventually go back to Crown Court 8 months later through a series of court appearances. But it gave me a chance to find out more about this experience I had in the police cell the night before. I remember coming home and walking in, my wife was out the kitchen. She nearly fainted when she saw me because she expected me to be put in jail. And then first of all is like the silent treatment, you know, not talking to me, and then next thing, whoa, let me tell you about what happened to me in the police cell. She said, listen now boy, I've heard some excuses for you staying out. I'm not buying that. You met God. Yeah, all right. But I said, I'm telling you, something happened. I thought I can't go to church, it was a Monday. I'll go over and see the vicar. So I went over to the vicar's house, and they always live in these vicars, always like, is there any vicars here? I went over to the vicar's house, and they always live in these big, huge mansions, none of the vicars, and knocked the door Monday afternoon. No, big huge knock or anything. And no answer. I tell you, it was more frightening than playing against Garden, I can tell you. I said, you know, what am I going to say? Oh, he's not even great. And I went to go, and then next thing, door opens. Yes, my son. I think, again, he nearly fainted as well when he saw me. You on here? But he was great. And he invited me in, and he invited me to church, and I had a Bible, and I started to read the Bible. And when I started to read about Jesus, and when I read about Jesus, I thought, man alive, as Mike Adams would say, man alive, why hasn't anyone told me about this before? I didn't realise just how great Jesus was, how great Jesus is. Yeah, there's a side of him as gentle Jesus, meek and mild, which of course I knew about. But then there was other things, like when he was on the lake and there was a storm and he's with his mates, the fishermen, and they were panicking big time, and he's kipping in the boat, and I thought, that's really cool. And then it was like, how cool is that? And then there was the time he went into the temple and started chucking out the money changers and all that, and turning over the tables, and I thought, that's hard. Imagine going down to Pontypridd market and throwing over the tables and chuck. I wouldn't be able to do that. You know, he must have been hard. And then, of course, you read about how he really had the courage to stand up and be counted for what he really believed in, and taking him right to the cross. And as I read on and read on, I realised that this person is who the Bible says he is, and he's worth committing your whole life to. And, you know, that was 18 years ago. I can say absolutely, without a shadow of a doubt, it's the greatest decision that I ever made was to commit my life to Jesus Christ. Part of an organisation called Christians in Sport, and really what we try to do in Christians in Sport is sort of show to people, tell people about Jesus, that we're the same people on the outside. We haven't grown 2 heads or 3 legs. by becoming Christians, but that Jesus Christ has changed our hearts on the inside. And we just try and kill off the stereotype ideas and myths that people have about Jesus and about Christians. You know, that if you become a Christian, you become a type of wimpy type of, I don't know, sandal wearing train spotter. I put myself in there. Put myself right in him there. But hey, I'm not a wimp. He's not a wimp. And you know, yesterday, New Zealand, I don't know if you saw it on Sky, the All Blacks played the Springboks. There's a lot of those guys are Christians. People like Kevin Bialamo, Jerome Kaino, John Smith, Bakis Bota, Victor Manfield. All these guys are big, tough guys, but the most important thing in their lives is not rugby, it's their faith in Jesus Christ. And as you say, you know, we just try to just kill off those sort of ideas that people have about being a Christian. I'm not going to go on much longer. I know I've sort of about 20 minutes into this been, but I just want to challenge people. I know. Right, before I became a Christian, I was a challenging rugby player. After I became a Christian, I was a challenging rugby coach. I am a challenging rugby coach. So I'm a challenging Christian as well. So I just want to challenge you. If you're not a Christian here today, I would really urge you to find out more about this Jesus. Find out for yourselves. Ask all the most awkward questions that you want to. I'll tell you now, from my own experience, that nothing or no one can give you the inner peace, the inner fulfillment and contentment that Jesus Christ can give you. And I'm talking about now, I'm not talking about religion, I'm talking about the personal relationship between you and Jesus, between you and God. We know that religion has caused all sorts of problems and continues to cause all sorts of problems in the world. I'm talking about a personal relationship between you and God. I really believe that nothing or no one can give you that type of inner peace and contentment that Jesus can give. And it is only a prayer away. If you have got the guts to find out more and to talk to Jesus, if you like, and ask him to reveal himself to you. If you're a Christian here tonight, I just want to say, as I said earlier, stand up for Jesus. You know, there's a verse in the Bible where Jesus says that, you know, if you're ashamed of me on earth, then there is a time may come where he will be ashamed of you. We look round and about us, and I'm sure it's no different up here from it is down in the valleys. Society is crumbling. People are looking for answers. And I really believe that Jesus Christ is the answer. As Christians, of course we believe that. But we need to get out and we need to tell people, and maybe more importantly, we need to live the life in front of people. You know, to show, to put Jesus into action, if you like. You know, the old saying that actions speak louder than words. And, you know, as I said, I was 32 years of age when I became a Christian. I know people say we live in a Christian country. We know that that's definitely not true now. But I just wonder, where were all the Christians? We need to get up and we need to stand up for Jesus. That's it, really, guys. Just to finish by just saying that I tried most of the things this world has to offer. I don't recommend my past lifestyle to anyone as a way to becoming a Christian. But I can tell you this from my own experience, without a shadow of a doubt, that God's way is best. Thanks.